this video, I'm going to show you how a simple yet powerful software product can revolutionize the way you use LinkedIn. Introducing Linked Assist, the easy-to-use Chrome extension that will turbocharge your LinkedIn marketing efforts. Instead of being limited by the basic manual features of LinkedIn that can take hours a day, you can automate your most important activities and get it done in minutes. I'll show you a few of the most popular and powerful features now. Auto connection. With auto connection, you can search for groups of new people that you want to connect with and send them connection requests automatically. You can send a customized message and even decide how long you want to wait between messages. You'll be able to send anywhere from 5 to 1,000 new connection requests per day, all with just a few clicks. This feature can really make your connections grow like wildfire. Auto messaging. Once you make new connections, your work is just getting started. This feature enables you to send a message to any number of your connections with just a few clicks. The messages will be staggered as if you're taking the time to type out each one separately. You can even write the messages ahead of time and save them in your account. This makes sending them a piece of cake. You can also send messages to your connections that you have saved in CSV files. You can upload your own files or generate them with Linked Assist. Auto Profile Viewer and Endorsive Skills. One of the most effective LinkedIn strategies is endorsing your connections for the skills they have listed on their profile. It makes them feel validated and appreciated by you. With Linked Assist, you no longer have to spend hours of your time clicking on individual profiles and painstakingly endorsing skills one by one. You can easily search for a group of connections and automatically endorse them for all their skills. It only takes a few clicks to do it. When this happens, LinkedIn will send 2 notifications to your connections, one for viewing their profile and another for endorsing them. These features of Linked Assist are just scratching the surface of what's on the product roadmap. The Linked Assist team works hard to ensure that the software remains LinkedIn algorithm friendly, and they will be adding many more powerful features. In the coming months, they will also be rolling out the Linked Academy, exclusive LinkedIn marketing and strategy training for Linked Assist customers. You'll have the tool and the knowledge to knock your business out of the park. But what if you have problems with the software or if it doesn't work? The Linked Assist team offers world-class customer support. Anytime you have a question or problem with your account, you can contact them through email, instant chat on the website, or Skype. If you're experiencing a particularly challenging technical issue, they can use TeamViewer to enable remote access to your computer and fix the problem for you. That way, you get back to using LinkedIn at light speed and growing your business network. If you are looking for a piece of software which will generate leads in any niche combined with the power that LinkedIn offers, then click below and get started now.